Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create pop-outs in Elementor in 2023. Elementor is a popular page builder for WordPress that allows you to design and customize your websites easily. So with the help of Elementor, we'll guide you through the process of creating an attention-grabbing pop-outs on your website. So let's get started.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So the first step, of course, is to ensure that you have Elementor and the Elementor Pro plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. Elementor Pro offers like advanced features included the pop-outs builder functionality. And if you haven't installed Elementor or Elementor Pro, you can go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins sections and insert it and install it. So for me, I already have it installed and that is the page on Elementor Builder. Now, of course, we would like to create a new pop-outs. So as you can see for me, I don't have the Elementor Pro, but of course for you, you can simply go to the search widgets and type pop-out, and then you'll find it and simply you'll have to go and drag it out right here into your section and simply go. Once you created your new pop-out, you'll have to of course go and design your pop-out however you want. Then of course you'll be able even to configure the pop-out settings and even set some pop-out conditions. Of course, you'll be able to edit everything here from this list panel, from the design of it, from the settings of it, even the conditions. You'll find everything on this list panel. Once you edit everything, you can simply go and preview all the changes from here as an example. Click on it, and as you can see, you'll be able to preview any changes that you made. So the pop-out is something like this on this WhatsApp. As you can see, how can I help you? So it's something like that. So make sure if it's working. If it's good, that means you are ready to go. And of course, once you preview everything, you'll be able to publish your things and you'll be done. Of course, as you can see here for me, Pro, I will not be able to use those unless I upgrade now. And if I click on upgrade now, I'll have to go and get Elementor Pro. And of course, I will have to go and pay for one of their plans, as you can see. So every plan here has some features. You can go and check them out by your own if you want to. And of course, you can come back here to your WordPress and get all the Pro that contains here. So other than that, of course, you'll be able to do a lot of other stuff on Elementor, including like here, add in like as an example, if you want to add some intersection, you can simply drag it here into this section as an example. So let's just drag it. And as you can see, you'll be able to edit the layout of it. As you can see, we can edit the content width, the width of the layout, of course, the columns gap, height, vertical lines, overflow, HTML tag, and of course, even the structure of it. If you want to, we'll be able even to edit that. So of course, other than that, we'll be able to edit the style of it as an example. So we can change the background of it. We can give it like a normal background or a hover background. There's even the background overlay option, the border, the shape divider, and of course the typography also. So you can go and also to this advanced, and here you will be able to edit the margins, the paddings, depending on whatever you want, of course. And this Z index, CSS ID, CSS classes will just simply edit those margins for you. And of course, here there is this motion effect that you can edit, also responsive attributes and custom CSS. And of course, as you can see, those will require Pro also. So of course, you'll be able even to add some hidden. As an example, you can simply just drag it down in there, get your hidden here. As an example, I'm just going to type test. Here you can even go and even paste a link if you want like this hidden to be clickable. You can even edit the sides, HTML tag, alignment of it. So you can do basically whatever you want with it. You can even change the style of it, including color, typography, text stroke, text shadow, and the blend mode. And of course, here on the advanced option, you will be able to edit the layout of it, the motion effect, transform, background, border, mask, responsive attributes, and the custom CSS also. And of course, other than that, we have this image. So we can simply go and add our image. By clicking here on image, we'll be able to upload some files from our PC as an example. So let me just go here as an example and upload this file. And as you can see, you'll be able to upload it, and we can even change the scale of this file or this image however we want. We can even align it to the light, rift, middle. We can even add some caption, a link as an example, and we can even go and edit the image of it with the image width as an example, the max width, if you want to, the height, and of course we'll be able even to change the object's fit. We would like to bit normal or hover. CSS filters will be able to apply some, and of course on this advanced we'll be able to edit all of those stuff. I don't have to go through them again. And of course we have here the text editor example. We'll be able to go and add some text if we want to and edit the content of it, the style of it, and even here we have the advanced options. So the styles normally is going to be the alignment, text color, typography, and text shadow as usual. Content here we can go and do whatever we want with this, as you can see here, and that's normally going to be it here. Of course you'll be able to add some videos as examples, so let me just go and drag it here. So if you click on this video, as you can see, you can link a video from YouTube if you want to. You can link it from Vimeo or Dailymotion or even self-hosted if you're gonna upload it from your PC as an example. So as an example, let's just go here and see we are going to upload something from YouTube. So simply you'll have to go and paste the link right here. Once you do so, the video will appear here and you'll be able to play it whenever you want, even fix the play speed, the quality of it, and of course the volume and or anything else that you want to edit. So of course if you click on it, that will open it even on YouTube as an example, and you'll be able even to watch it on YouTube directly. So of course you can even use this navigator from here to go back and edit whatever you want if you want to. And of course, as you can see, the video will be able to even edit some options of it if you wanted to autoplay, if you wanted to be mute, if you wanted to loop, if you want to have some player control, or if you don't want people to have player control, the modest branding, privacy mode, and of course there's even the style. So here it's just gonna be the size of the video, as you can see. So if you put it like this, it depending just on the size of the video how it's gonna be. So you'll have to go and put it the size that you want. You can even go and add some CSS filters, and of course on this advanced button or option, you'll find the same advanced options. As you can see here, you'll be able to edit the margins, the padding, width, position, and a lot of other stuffs here. Other than that, of course, you'll be able to add some buttons. So buttons will work as an example. So as an example, you'll be able to edit text. So I'm just going to type here test again. And of course, you can paste here the link. And if someone click on this test right here, they will be taken to the link that you put here. And of course, you can even choose the alignment of it, the type of it as an example, and size, the icon. You can go and upload like some icon from yourself, the icon spacing, and of course, you'll be able to edit the style and a lot of other stuff. And then we have the divider, spacer, and those like kind of the same thing. So you can go and try them out. And of course we have even this Google Maps option. This option will let you, as an example, let me just go and add it here. You'll be able to add like the location that you want in Google Maps. You can simply go and add the location here, and that's gonna be it. And of course the icon, simply you can go and add whatever icon you want, edit the style of it, and edit any advanced option that you want also, and you will normally be good to go. So if you reach this point of this video, congratulations, you've successfully created the pop-out and Elementor in 2023. And of course, by following these steps, you'll be able to create like a stunning pop-outs for yourself and editing the display of it, and of course previewing it and publishing it. And of course you can effectively like grab your visitors attention and deliver targeted messages or offers. Of course, even experiments with different designs and strategies to find what works best for your website. So thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Elementor pop-ups. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.